known quesadilla.
Hi. Where are we, Adam? We are at
Papilio.
Papilio. We're going to have dinner here. Okay. So here we are. Hi, hello guys. Come and join us as we're going to have dinner here at Papilio House. And I can recommend this house, guys. The food are so yummy. Wow. Naay koy. Super big. Kita nila.
Super big na dong.
Tilapia raman tong naa sa park.
Ini kayo. Color na dong.
Beautiful. Asa na sila? Tudeng. It's a koi. Yan na din nato sila bird book. Oo. Nawala ng bird.
Papilio house lahi.
Ay, bird. Din na kay. Lagi. Wow, Adam.
Ay, ayaw na.
Adam, where are you now?
Bantay, kay dago kay guslot. Ay lang.
Okay, let's now get inside. By the way, Panwas house and Papilio's house have the same owner. And let's get inside. This is our first time to come inside into this resto bar, guys. And when you look inside, you will notice that most of the decorations are vintage. Look at that. And they also have a loft. One thing that I like most about this resto bar is how they carefully think of the designs, and every detail is amazing. And look at that bear skin hanging on the wall, and I think it is real. I don't think it is fake. I am very amazed of that. Whoever designed this resto bar, they did a very good job. About their menus, they have a very wide variety of food to choose from, and the price is reasonable. Yes, we like quesadilla. Okay, let's look around, guys. Look at that telephone, every details of this resto is on point. What? They're playing the wedding planner movie. And also they have a big bike, which is a BMW. It is really amazing, guys, to see the decorations. Really amazing to see some decorations that I think it couldn't be used as decorations, but they did it. Just like broken saw, broken grass rake, and also old iron. There are so many things to see in this bar. Our friends ordered plenty of food, and I don't know if they finished it because we left early. Yes, we don't eat pork and shrimp and other seafood. This soup vegetable is super yummy. I really love it. And also I love the beef with green vegetables. And so for the food, guys, I rated it 10 out of 10. It's really yummy. And even Adam, he likes the quesadilla. After eating, we went outside to play with Adam. Yes, they have different play stuff for the kids to not get bored. Yes, if you bring your kids, they have many things to do here. Just like rock climbing, it's like a rope climbing, slides, and they also have that horsey, rocking horsey. Yes, Adam loves it, but he's only 10 months, guys, so he cannot climb yet. He needs guidance. And he also loves the slide. And they even have a trampoline here, a baby trampoline, a trampoline for the babies. Let's just watch Adam play.
Ready? One.
This is the trampoline that I mentioned earlier. Yes, it's super small. They have a swing as well. And look at Adam, he's about to fall. That's it for tonight, lovely people. Thank you so much for joining us in our vlog. And please, if you like this video, like it. And please don't forget to subscribe. God bless everybody.